This is your chance to get your hands on new tech gadgets. Check out these 11 new gadgets that are changing the game and bringing the future to your fingertips. 11. Konei Sota 3D Printer. The Konei Sota 3D Printer is a compact, high-performance device designed for precision and ease of use. Its small footprint makes it suitable for both home and office settings. The printer features a robust frame and advanced printing technology, including a heated bed and a high-resolution nozzle to ensure detailed and accurate prints. With its user-friendly interface and reliable connectivity options, the Konei Sota is ideal for creating detailed prototypes, models, and custom parts. It supports a variety of materials, including PLA and ABS, and offers a straightforward setup process, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users. 10. Ivy Cable Gen2. The Ivy Cable Gen2 is a high-performance next-generation charging cable designed for durability and efficiency. Featuring advanced materials and construction, it offers enhanced flexibility and resistance to wear and tear compared to previous models. The cable supports fast charging and data transfer, ensuring rapid and reliable connections for various devices. Its robust design includes reinforced connectors and a tangle-free construction, making it ideal for everyday use. With compatibility across multiple devices and an emphasis on longevity, the Ivy Cable Gen2 is a practical choice for users seeking a dependable and high-quality charging solution. Its sleek design also adds a touch of modern aesthetics to your tech accessories. 9. DJI Avatar 2. The DJI Avatar 2 is an advanced FPV drone designed for immersive flying experiences. Building on its predecessor's success, it features improved flight stability, enhanced camera capabilities, and upgraded safety features. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, the Avatar 2 captures stunning 4K video and 48MP photos, delivering vibrant, detailed imagery. Its compact design and robust build ensure durability and ease of use, even in challenging conditions. With advanced flight modes and intuitive controls, the drone offers both novice and experienced pilots a versatile tool for capturing dynamic aerial footage. The DJI Avatar 2 combines performance with innovation, pushing the boundaries of drone technology. 8. XCOPE DT1. The XCOPE DT1 is an advanced digital thermal camera designed for precise temperature measurement and imaging. Featuring high-resolution thermal imaging capabilities, it provides clear and detailed thermal data for various applications, including maintenance, inspections, and diagnostics. The DT1 offers real-time temperature readings with exceptional accuracy, thanks to its advanced sensor technology. Its user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation and analysis of thermal images. Compact and durable, the XCOPE DT1 is built to withstand demanding environments. It also includes connectivity options for seamless data sharing and integration with other diagnostic tools, making it a valuable asset for professionals in various fields. 7. Voyager 1. The Voyager 1 is a cutting-edge mid-drive all-terrain e-bike that redefines excellence in electric biking. Crafted with a full carbon fiber frame, it offers exceptional strength and a significant weight reduction compared to traditional materials. This e-bike is powered by an advanced Italian Ollie mid-drive motor, delivering 500 W of power and peaking at 800 W, ensuring smooth and powerful rides even on steep inclines. The Voyager 1 features a high-capacity battery pack with 60 Samsung 21700 cells, providing an impressive range of over 100 kilometers on a single charge too. Its innovative design includes an in-frame phone charging cabin and a central control system, enhancing convenience and safety. Meticulously engineered for both long-distance touring and off-road adventures, the Voyager 1 combines sophistication, comfort, and unmatched performance, making it the ultimate companion for modern explorers seeking an active and sustainable lifestyle. 6. XTool P2. The XTool P2 is a versatile, high-performance laser engraving and cutting machine designed for precision and ease of use. Equipped with advanced laser technology, it offers exceptional accuracy and detail, making it suitable for a wide range of materials including wood, acrylic, and leather. The XTool P2 features a user-friendly interface with intuitive controls, allowing for seamless operation and customization of projects. Its robust build ensures durability and consistent results. Ideal for both hobbyists and professionals, the XTool P2 delivers high-quality engraving and cutting capabilities, enabling users to create intricate designs and personalized items with ease and efficiency. 5. XBot Go Chameleon. The XBot Go Chameleon is an innovative, multifunctional robotic device designed for versatile applications. With its advanced AI-driven technology, it excels in tasks such as automation, surveillance, and interactive learning. The Chameleon features a highly adaptable design, allowing it to transform and adjust its configuration to suit various operational needs. Its intuitive control system ensures ease of use, while its high-resolution sensors provide precise data and feedback. Ideal for both educational and industrial purposes, the XBot Go Chameleon offers a blend of flexibility, intelligence, and functionality, making it a valuable tool for enhancing productivity and exploring new technological frontiers. 4. Duona 4-in-1. The Duona 4-in-1 charger is a versatile and convenient charging solution designed to power multiple devices simultaneously. It features 4 integrated charging ports, which support various device types including smartphones, tablets, and wireless earbuds. With its intelligent charging technology, the Duona ensures optimal power delivery and protection against overcharging and overheating. The compact and sleek design makes it an ideal accessory for home, office, or travel. The charger's universal compatibility and efficient performance streamline the charging process, reducing cable clutter and simplifying power management. Its reliable and user-friendly design makes the Duona 4-in-1 charger a practical choice for modern tech users. 3. Lemat Magnetic Fixer 2.0. The Lemat Magnetic Fixer 2.0 is an innovative tool designed for secure and convenient attachment of various objects. It features advanced magnetic technology that provides a strong, reliable hold, making it ideal for applications like mounting tools, organizing workspace items, or securing electronic devices. The Fixer 2.0 boasts a sleek, compact design with enhanced durability and ease of use. Its adjustable magnetic strength allows for precise control and adaptability to different surfaces. The Lemat Magnetic Fixer 2.0 simplifies organization and access, making it a valuable accessory for both professional and personal use, and ensuring efficient and clutter-free environments. 2. Hawkeye AI5. The Hawkeye AI5 is a cutting-edge security camera equipped with advanced artificial intelligence for enhanced surveillance. It features high-definition video capture and smart analytics that can detect and differentiate between people, animals, and vehicles, reducing false alerts. The AI15 offers real-time notifications and remote access through a user-friendly app, allowing users to monitor their property from anywhere. Its robust design is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, with night vision capabilities ensuring clear footage in low light. The camera integrates seamlessly with smart home systems and supports cloud storage, providing a comprehensive solution for modern security needs. 1. Appet. Appet is an advanced holographic technology platform designed to create and display interactive 3D holograms. This cutting-edge system enables users to project lifelike, three-dimensional images into physical space without the need for special glasses or screens. Appet utilizes sophisticated light projection and spatial mapping techniques to deliver clear, vibrant holograms that can be viewed from various angles. Its applications range from enhancing presentations and educational experiences to providing immersive entertainment and advertising solutions. The platform is user-friendly, allowing for easy integration with existing digital content and systems. Appet represents a significant leap forward in visual technology, offering a dynamic and engaging way to interact with digital information. Thanks for exploring these game-changing gadgets with us. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest tech trends and innovations. Until next time, keep your tech savvy and your curiosity alive.